Hi everyone, Paul Morbid here, Morbid Team Entertainment. So this current experimental horror film that I have going on is tending to keep me up late at night, aggravating me a bit, as maybe I'm a bit of too much of a perfectionist. But as experimental horror filmmakers, that's the way we are now, aren't we? I want everything to look and come out a certain way. I'm finding at first glance that editing is going to be a pain in the backside, but maybe not, as I know everywhere everything is going to be placed and edited. As we know, I'm creating some visual effects with iodine and stuff like that in film painting that really there's nothing new there, but the color I think maybe possibly so with some color effects. And I'm going to be using multiple cameras here, even at one time, to give a really surrealistic and creepy effect, and pointing it to the subject matter that's going to be going on. So I'm really interested to see how that's going to turn out as well. And doing this, we all want to see something new and different, if possible. Upon that can be done with experimental horror. And not only to get the point across, but make it entertaining also. So it's really becoming a trying situation. But here again, maybe it's just because I'm being a perfectionist, artistic filmmaker. I hope that's it. Maybe I'm just worrying about too much. Who's to say? I think so. Paul Morbid of Morbid Team Entertainment. Do subscribe to the YouTube channel. Join the Barter, Buy, and Sell Morbid Team Entertainment group and put a like on our page. Thanks a lot, and bye-bye.